Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee and Conversations English, the podcast where we sit down, grab a cup of coffee, and have a real, natural English conversation, just for you.
I'm Laura.
And I'm Avery. And today, I love today's topic.
Me too. So today we are talking about feelings, emotions, how to express what you are really feeling in English.
Because here's the thing, when someone asks you, how are you? What do most English learners say?
I'm fine, thank you.
Exactly. I'm fine, thank you. And look, there is nothing wrong with that. It's polite, it's correct, but
in real life, we feel so much more than fine.
we do. Sometimes we feel excited. Sometimes we feel stressed. Sometimes we feel, honestly, a little overwhelmed.
Yeah, very relatable.
So today, Laura and I are going to show you how to express real emotions in English. Joy, frustration, excitement, like a native speaker would.
And by the end of this episode, you are going to have so many new ways to answer that question, how are you, in a way that sounds natural, warm, and real.
All right, let's get into it. Pour yourself a coffee.
And pull up a chair.
Okay, Laura, so let's start with something that happens every single day. Small talk. You run into someone, a coworker, a neighbor, someone at the coffee shop, and they say, hey, how are you?
Right, and we want to go beyond just saying good or fine.
Exactly. So, Laura, how are you today? Like, really, how are you?
Oh, okay. Well, actually, I have some exciting news.
Oh, really? What happened?
So, I've been looking for a new apartment, right? For like months now?
Yes, you've been so stressed about that.
I know, but I found one. I finally found the perfect apartment and I signed the lease yesterday.
Oh my gosh, Laura, I am so happy for you. That is such amazing news.
Thank you. I'm so relieved.
Okay, did you hear what I just said? Let's slow that down for our listeners. I said, I am so happy for you. Now that is so much warmer than just saying good for you or nice.
Right. I'm so happy for you. It tells the other person that you actually feel something, that you care.
Exactly. And I also said, that is such amazing news. Let's talk about some other phrases you can use when someone shares good news with you.
Okay, so the first one, and this is a really natural one, is that sounds amazing.
That sounds amazing. You can use that for almost anything. Someone tells you they got a promotion? That sounds amazing. Someone tells you they're going on vacation? That sounds amazing.
I love it. Another one, I'm really happy for you. Or you can make it even warmer, I'm so thrilled for you.
Ooh, thrilled. That's a great word. Thrilled means very, very happy, like excited and happy at the same time.
Right? And here's one that I love. You must be so excited.
You must be so excited. I love that one because it shows empathy. You are imagining how the other person feels.
Exactly. So let's recap those phrases for your listeners. I'm so happy for you. That sounds amazing. I'm so thrilled for you. You must be so excited.
Beautiful. And notice, all of these phrases use feeling words. Happy, thrilled, excited. That's the key. Don't just say good. Use a feeling word.
Now, Avery, you said I sounded stressed earlier. About the apartment?
I did say that, yes.
So let's talk about that. How do you express stress or frustration in a natural way?
Oh, perfect timing because actually, I have been a little stressed myself this week.
Really? What's going on?
So, work has been a lot lately. I had 3 big deadlines this week. My computer decided to have problems on Tuesday of all days, and I don't know, I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed.
Oh, Avery, that sounds really tough.
It has been. And you know what? Just saying that, I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed actually helps.
Right, and did everyone hear that phrase? I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed. That is such a natural, honest way to express stress in English.
And notice, I didn't say I am very stressed. I said feeling a bit overwhelmed. The word bit makes it softer, more conversational.
That's such a good point. In English, we often soften negative emotions with words like a bit or a little or kind of.
Exactly. So instead of I am very frustrated, which sounds very strong, very intense, you might say I'm feeling a little frustrated.
I'm kind of frustrated, to be honest.
To be honest, I love that phrase. When you add to be honest to a sentence, it signals to the other person that you're about to share something real, something genuine.
Right, it's like an invitation to be real with each other.
Now, another phrase I use a lot when I'm tired or stressed is, it's been a long day.
Oh, yes, it's been a long day. Everyone understands that feeling.
Everyone. And it doesn't mean the day was literally long. It means it was difficult, exhausting. A lot happened.
So if someone asks, "How are you?" and you're tired, you can say, "Honestly, it's been a long day. I'm ready for the weekend."
Very relatable. Very human.
Now, Avery, what about when something actually goes wrong? Like you make a mistake or something doesn't work out the way you planned?
Great question. So, in those moments, you might feel disappointed or frustrated. Let's talk about how to express that naturally.
So, one phrase I really like is, "I'm a little disappointed, honestly."
I'm a little disappointed, honestly.
That's so natural and honest.
Another one, "I was really counting on that." This means you were hoping for something and it didn't happen.
I was really counting on that. Like, I was really counting on getting that promotion. It expresses not just disappointment, but also how much something mattered to you.
It's just been one of those days,
Oh, everyone knows what that means.
right? One of those days. Nothing specific went terribly wrong. Everything just felt a little off, a little harder than usual.
I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed. It's been a long day. I'm a little frustrated, to be honest. I was really counting on that. It's just been one of those days.
These phrases are honest, they're real, and they make the other person feel like they can be real with you too.
And that's actually what brings us to our next scene. Because expressing emotions isn't just about telling people how you feel. It's about building real connections.
And that is my favorite part of today's episode. Scene 3, Deepening Connections, 9 to 13 hours. Okay, so Avery, let's talk about something that I think is really powerful in English. I feel statements.
Yes, this is so important. When you share how you feel using I feel, it opens a door. It invites the other person in.
Right, and the beautiful thing about I feel statements is that they work in any situation. Happy moments, difficult moments, everyday moments.
So let's start simple. Laura, how do you feel right now in this conversation?
Honestly, I feel really comfortable. I feel like I'm just talking to my friend.
That's exactly what this is. And notice, she didn't say, I am comfortable. She said, I feel comfortable. The word feel makes it more personal, more emotional.
Right. I am is a fact. I feel is an experience.
That's such a good way to put it. So instead of I am happy, try I feel really happy right now.
Instead of I am nervous, try I feel a little nervous, to be honest.
And here's where it gets really interesting. You can use I feel statements to share opinions in a friendly, non-aggressive way.
Oh, this is so useful for making real friendships, because in friendships you share opinions. Sometimes you disagree, and how you say it really matters.
Exactly.
So instead of saying that idea is wrong, you can say, I feel like that might not work, but I could be wrong.
Or instead of you don't understand, you can say, I feel like maybe I didn't explain it well.
See how different that sounds? The first version sounds like an argument. The second version sounds like a conversation.
And conversations are how we make friends.
Exactly. Now, one more layer. There are some really beautiful I feel phrases that native speakers use to show they care about someone else's feelings.
Yes, like I feel for you. Have you heard that one?
I feel for you. That means I understand your pain. I empathize with you. It's a very warm human phrase.
Or I know how you feel. This tells someone they're not alone.
I know how you feel. Such simple words, but so powerful.
That means a lot to me.
Like if a friend does something kind for you, you don't just say thanks. You say, that really means a lot to me. And you can see it on their face. They feel it.
Connection. Real connection.
So let's recap our deepening connection phrases. I feel really comfortable talking to you. I feel like maybe I didn't explain it well. I feel for you. I know how you feel. That really means a lot to me.
These phrases, they're not just English phrases. They're human phrases. In any language, in any culture, people want to feel heard. They want to feel understood.
And when you use these phrases in English, you're not just learning a language, you're making real connections. Okay, so let's bring it all together. Today we talked about how to move beyond I'm fine, thank you, and express real emotions in English.
In topic 1, we talked about how to react to good news with warmth. Phrases like, I'm so happy for you, and that sounds amazing.
In topic 2, we talked about expressing stress or frustration like a real person. Phrases like, I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed, and it's been a long day.
And in topic 3, we talked about using I feel statements to deepen connections. Phrases like, I feel for you, and that really means a lot to me.
Now, here is your challenge for today.
Ooh, I love this part.
Go to the comments below this video and tell us, in English, one new way you are feeling today. Don't say, I'm fine. Try one of our new phrases.
Maybe you're feeling excited about something. Maybe you've been feeling a little overwhelmed. Maybe you're feeling happy that you found this podcast.
That one is always welcome in the comments.
We read every single comment, and we love hearing from you.
We really do. You are the reason we sit down every week with our coffee and do this.
We feel so grateful for every one of you.
And on that note, if you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you never miss a new episode.
And if you know someone who is learning English, share this episode with them. It might be exactly what they need.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Until next time.
Pull up a chair and let's talk English.